Good morning, everybody. So yeah, I'm gonna show you this video shortly. You see the chap in this Mitsubishi, he's using his phone in the video, and he's also stopped on the zebra crossing, which you're not supposed to do. So I think he's an example of what I'm about to refer to next, but I'm not specifically talking about him, I'm talking more in general now. So speaking generally, I really think that people who use their phones, who run red lights, are much more likely than other people to be sloppy drivers in many other aspects. Maybe with the speed limits, maybe with close passing cyclists, maybe not taking care around pedestrians, all that kind of thing. So that's one of the reasons why I think it's important to catch a serious traffic offense like a mobile phone use. And again, I'm not specifically referring to this driver, it's just my general observation of people who use their phones. And it's my opinion. And then, so yeah, I do remember reading something about traffic policing, where quite strong policing of traffic offences would result in a reasonable reduction in killed and seriously injured stats. That's the KSI I'm always talking about. So that's why I think it's worth reporting stuff like this, because I think it will have a calming effect on all drivers who get reported and who they tell, and it will make them be more careful in every aspect of their driving, not just in phone use. Okay, I guess that's all I really wanted to say. Have a good day. Ciao. I saw him, and not only that, he's actually stopped on the crossing. Funny how he dropped it down the side of your feet, of his, how he dropped it down the side of his chair. Mitsubishi Delta Yankee 64 Zulu Golf Zulu.